What's up? Hi guys, Sean here. Hey, I want to teach you very quick video on how to practice your double time. Okay, so my man always so first one is always posture, right? So your hands here, shoulders back, right? Then you want the seat a bit too low so you can tell already, yeah? You never adjust right just now. Okay, never mind. But do the proper form, proper posture, you practice. So the first important thing that you want to remember is you must learn to go fast and stay on beat. If you cannot stay on beat, then you cannot finish the double time. Yeah, so you try to stay on beat. Don't stand up and do side to side. So you stand up, your hands on three, you do side to side, right? Then some people when you do double time, this is what you do. You train like that, you will never get a double time. So rather you sit down, right? Hands come back to one and then go fast on the beat. If you learn to stay on beat, then you focus on the rhythm. Once you focus on the rhythm, then doing the double time is easier because it's like dancing. You stay on this rhythm, then you just stand and go back to your posture. Wow, this one you got training. So yeah, basically that lah. If you need more, I will do part 2 lah maybe.